back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to steam your vegetables and greens. If you are here for the first time, please click that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Do you have one of these and you're wondering what it is or how to use it? This is the vegetable steamer basket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open it and how to use it. So to open the vegetable steamer basket, you don't want to move this rod in the middle because that's just going to bring it out. So what you want to do is put your finger in here or another finger in here and pull it open like this. So you pull it open. Okay. So you can make it smaller, make it bigger, depending on the size of the pot you're using. Make it like this. Okay. So if you're going to use a pot of this size, what you want to do is make it smaller like this so it can fit in. It has a stand at the bottom, so you just put some water in the pot and make it sit like that, and you can put your vegetable in there. If you are going to use a bigger container like this, all you need to do is open it to the fullest. Okay, so you can have your vegetable on top, have some water in there, and cover it to steam.